So let's talk about the folder structure of the Angular application. So once you will install the Angular application, then you will find some of this interface like this. And then I have already discussed about tslint and the package.json. So I am skipping this one and let's start from next. So now you can see here that karma config.js and some of the file are available, but actually this is not required to understand because this is for the testing purpose, and those who are the testing your application, they can manage. So you can leave this for now, later on we will talk about. So here the main important file is the angular.json. You can see here that this is Angular workspace configuration, where you can manage all the configuration, like you can see here that style, whatever style you will provide here in this array, then it will create it will be available for globally for the Angular application. And similar way, if you want to include some script and that should be in the whole application, you can add any script through this array. And other configuration like production mode, if you want to use your development, if you want to move your project from development mode to production mode, you can also do this very easily. You just need to replace the environment.ts file with the environment pro.ts. So basically all these things are done by the Angular. All the settings are already available for you, so just you need to use it, means no need to do anything extra effort to make it happen. So all these things are the out of the box provided by the Angular application, so just you can use it. So environment.ts or environment.prod.ts, you can find this one. So basically these are the use when certain thing if you want to access after development is completed, then you can easily access through this command, where some of the global variable if you want to access in your Angular application, then you can use it, right? So these are the configuration basically, and there are lots more configuration. You can find the description about all these things on the Angular documentation. As you can see that project name, default project name, and other configuration, all these things are available here, like root and source root, like src, because all the thing you will use through the src here. So you will get this folder. You can see here this is a folder and all the Angular applications are available under the src folder, so you can easily access. So in case if you want to change this src folder with different, then you also need to change it at the angular.json, because as I said that angular.json is the workspace settings and their configuration. So in certain case if you want to change the folder structure, folder name, and all this, you can manage all these things. And index page, you can see that source index.html is the main file